How to enable or disable keyboard voice input, hide offensive words on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. From here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now, we then scroll down and tap on voice input. Next, scroll down and then choose hide offensive words. Tap on that to turn it off or switch it on. Now at the top here, make sure you choose Samsung voice input. If you choose Google Voice typing, then that option will not be available. You need to, if you are using Google Voice typing, you need to change it from a different location. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.